How to make money on Freelancer as a virtual cooking class instructor. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform and the business owners. So for example, if I was a business owner coming to this platform to find a virtual cooking class instructor to hire, I will just go to hire freelancers in here. Then I'm going to search by skill categories, and let's give it a few seconds to load. And it's where you can find every skill you're searching for in this platform. As you can see in here, browse all categories, and the first one we have is websites, IT and software. So let's scroll down to find the category where we might find the skill we are searching for. So let's scroll down, and here we have writing and content category. It's not where we can find a virtual cooking class instructor. I don't think we can find it in the website IT and software, and not in the writing and content, I guess. Design media architecture, we cannot find it in here too. Let's check the V. We have vector design, VFX, video streaming, virtual staging, visual design, and not in the data entry as well, not in the engineering, and will not be in the marketing and sales, business accounting, human resources, mobile phone computing, translation, trades and services. I think we can find it in here. Let's check to see. Car washing, carpentry, car washing again, casting, catering, CCTV, child, commercial, computer, cooking, baking, cooking recipe and recipes. So here we can check this one, cooking and recipes. I think this is where we can hire expert cooking experts for any job. And by scrolling down, you will be able to see their profiles. And by clicking on see more cooking experts. So here they showed us 18 results. So let's click on only online users. Let's wait, click on online users to remove it, to see all of the users, not just the online one. And as you can see, we have more than 4,000 results to check. So here guys, in today's video, I'm showing these platform profiles just to show you what you're going to learn exactly in today's video. So let's check this man's profile, or someone else who's doing just the cooking. We have this one, health nutrition recipe, WordPress, pitch decks. So I'm going to choose the one in health. I think that's his or her only skill, or the skill that matters for him or her. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like these people, where you're going to add your cover photo and your profile picture as well. I'm going to show you how you can have the verifications, how you can add the description, and how you can add your hourly rate, how to drop your portfolio as well. The portfolio is very important in here, guys. You know that clients like to know the kind of job or service you deliver first before hiring you. So I'm going to show you how you can set a decent profile to get as many clients as possible. So let's close this window and let's go back to the main page to start creating the profile. So here, wait for it to load. click on earn money freelancing. Then make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to drop my username and my password. Then click on login. Then you'll proceed to your dashboard where you're going to control everything about your profile. So here go to your top right where you can manage your account from viewing your profile to your membership to your account analytics, your bidding sites and your settings. Then you can check your finances as well where you can manage your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, check your transaction history, your financial dashboard and your payment sharing. So let's go to view the profile. We need to make a lot of adjustments to the profile. So here start by clicking on edit profile and make sure to have your email verified first. Then you move on to add in your profile picture. Then you add a cover photo as well. Then you move on to the verifications. As I said in the beginning, the verifications are very important. So make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers. Verify your identity as well through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Verify your payment method, verify your phone number and connect your Facebook account too. Then you move on to add in your hourly rate, then add your professional headline and your summary as well. And the summary is where you're going to talk about yourself, your previous experiences, how many years of experience you have, when did you start working in the platform and all of those sort of things. Then you move on to add in your top skills. So let's remove this skill and let's search for our skill in here. Let's remove instructor. Let's remove class and let's remove virtual as well. And let's just go with cooking. We have cooking and recipes, cooking, baking. Then scroll down and click on save to save these adjustments. Then you move on to add in your portfolio in here. And after you're done with making all of these adjustments, then it's time to make some money. So let's go to browse, click on projects. It's where you will find all of the posted jobs from people who are looking for certain freelancers. So you can just check the job, check the description, the amount that you will get paid, and if you like the job you can apply for it. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.